I want to show you how you can dominate 99% of other affiliate marketers. Now it's crazy because I see so many people doing the wrong things when they're doing affiliate marketing. But if you implement what I'm about to show you in this training, it's going to completely change the way you build your business. You see, when I started in 2019 in affiliate marketing, there were so many people that were making more money than me, but they were all doing the same old things that they were taught by the old affiliate marketing gurus. And then I implemented a framework that helped me surpass literally 99% of the other affiliates. And now I've built a multi-8-figure digital marketing business. Now this is part 2 of a training that I gave to my high-level inner circle students. So if you haven't seen part 1, make sure to go check it out. This is the video right here. And I go into all the details of how to build an 8-figure business. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, so I showed you now how to build the 8-figure business, but I'm going to erase this, okay? This is gone. You don't have to go build this as an affiliate marketer, but I'm going to show you how you can tap into this and make a lot of money, okay? You guys ready? Yeah. Let's go. All right, as an affiliate, I'm going to kind of draw out a quick, like, high-level overview of what a good affiliate business should look like, okay? So you're gonna have this kind of same thing here, okay? You have your customers, you wanna get them to this free thing. Now the whole purpose of this, I said I would come back to this, is you wanna build this email list. This email list is so powerful, okay? Like I can't tell you how much leverage I have because of my email list, okay? I built an email list of over 700,000 people, so I have people that come to me, they want me to promote their stuff, and I go speak on podcasts. So it's not just about making money, it's a lot of leverage that can totally change your life, okay? So if you focus on this as the main core thing, you're gonna win, okay? Like every single day, I was looking at like how much emails did I bring in today? Was it 1 email, 2 emails, 10 emails, 100 emails, right? If you can focus on this is the main focus every single day, then that's gonna grow, because what you focus on grows, okay? So we're gonna focus on this. Don't focus on the money, because you are gonna make money at the end, but if you focus on this, I've noticed a lot of my students that focus on the money, they don't make money, okay? And I'll tell you why in just a little bit, but okay, focus on the email list, okay? And then, so we're gonna do the free thing. So this could be a lead magnet, it could be a guide, it could be a free course, it could be some sort of calculator, something that is actually gonna provide value, okay? So we have this free thing and we're gonna send them to a bridge page, okay? The whole purpose of a bridge page, a lot of people skip this and you don't technically need it, but it's gonna help make more money. The bridge page, let's just say they're watching, I'm gonna take Jared, for example, in the crowd. So we got Jared here, okay? He's making Instagram videos. You got Jared on Instagram, he's a funny guy. He's like, hey, I have this free thing, go check it out. The bridge page is literally gonna bridge them, right? I'm gonna draw a little bridge here. It's gonna bridge them. He's gonna transfer the authority from Jared now to the affiliate offer, okay? Technically, if you go straight to here, there's a disconnect, right? So they're seeing Jared and then they're all of a sudden seeing this other person to go buy this thing and make money, right? But if you have a bridge page, it's like essentially you're transferring authority. So for example, it'd be like, hey, this is Jared. Thank you so much for clicking on this page. On the next page, which is here, I'm gonna introduce this offer that's gonna help you XYZ, help you make more money, help you lose weight, whatever that offer is, okay? And that's it. This is essentially an affiliate business here. Now, the reason why I was showing you guys like the whole challenge and webinars and monthly recurring commissions is because this is where you start to kind of tap into this stuff, okay? So again, we're building this email list, okay? And this will start an automated process, okay? So we're gonna draw a few different emails here. Again, this is how I made my money at first. I didn't sell any courses. I was working my 9-to-5 job. This is all I focused on, okay? So when we're giving out this free thing, we have these emails that then they'll start to send out. Let's just say, for example, the first email will typically is giving the free thing, okay? Free thing. For those of you who have gone through any of my courses, I give you guys a free course to give out as your own. If you've gone through the 5-day Leave Your 9-to-5 challenge, we actually give you guys a done-for-you system where we give you the free thing. If you want access to that, click the link below and you can get access to the challenge where we'll show you how to do that. But going back to it, okay, this free thing is typically the first email that you will send, okay? Jared's promising this free thing on Instagram, so naturally, the first email is, hey, here's the free thing that you signed up for, okay? That's day number 1. Now this can be day number 2, 3, however you wanna do it. We'll just say day number 2. Now, we're gonna send people to affiliate offer. Then day 3, affiliate offer number 2,
3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth, okay? Now, for me, I don't just do offer. I like to send people value. So typically, I'll send someone to, a YouTube video. It doesn't even have to be your own video. It could be someone else's. It could just, you're providing value for people, right? So that's typically how I build this email list out, okay? I have over 40 income streams with affiliate marketing. Like literally, I get checks on PayPal, I get random wires. I'm like, oh, I didn't know I was even promoting that company anymore. That's what you want to get to, is you want to be able to build this email list so far that you forgot what you're promoting. Like that's kind of like what happened with me. I was promoting things in 2019, 2020 that I still get paid for, okay? So for example, I have over probably 2 years of automated emails that continue to send. Does that make sense, guys? Do you have any questions on that?
Really, you're just trying to kind of maintain a little bit of focus, create brand awareness, and also build trust with them through the emails. Also, you're providing offers that you might be able to, that they'd enjoy or that you can kind of use and stuff too, right? So that's something that you should probably be trying to implement and kind of stay front of mind for them with the emails?
Yeah, no, I love that actually. So there's something that I want to mention is when you're trying to find these different offers, it's got to be in line with the main core thing that they want. I talk about this in my Leave Your 9 to 5 challenge, but I'll go over it real quickly. You have someone at point A and we want to get them to point B. Now typically point A, they're in lots of pain. Okay, maybe they hate their job. Point B is the dream outcome that they want. So let's just say they want to quit their job. Insert A to B. So if you're in fitness, maybe they hate their body, they hate the way they feel around their peers. Okay, that's point A. Point B would be, they want to have confidence, they want to be able to go on dates, they want to be able to, whatever that is, okay? All we're doing is getting someone from point A to point B, okay? Now, when you know this, when you understand this, now we can find the products that are gonna help them get here, okay? So product 1, product 2, product 3, so on and so forth. So typically for my example, one of my products that help them get there is a course, okay? So Freedom Breakthrough is one of my courses. Freedom Breakthrough, not only are they gonna need a course, they're gonna need software. They're gonna need an AI software, AI tool, okay? I'm not promoting random things on my email list. That's what most affiliate gurus teach, is like, oh yeah, just go promote a bunch of random things. No, I'm giving them the things that they need to get from point A to point B. You have a question?
Yeah.
Yes.
So basically what you're saying is once you know your target audience, you can have different affiliates that are all kind of driven towards that. If you have someone in fitness, you offer them different fitness apparel, different fitness programs. So how would you go about getting those specific affiliates? Like how do you get more affiliates that are geared towards your target audience? How do you go about that?
All right, so your question was, how do we find affiliate offers that kind of go in between point A to point B? So I love your example on the fitness thing. I'm just gonna give you a few different things, right? So let's just say, the first thing for your fitness is a fitness course. Next thing, maybe they need a meal prep service. And then you said what, apparel? And then I'll add another one here, supplements. All these things they're gonna need to get from point A to point B, right? That's the A to B map, okay? Where do you find them? Google. Just type in top fitness affiliate courses, meal prep company, top meal prep affiliate companies. I would go with the one that you most believe in, possibly you used, and that give the most commission, okay? Now the cool thing is, remember what I was teaching before about the monthly recurring revenue. If it's a good affiliate program and you get someone to buy a meal prep service, they should pay you every single month. Now some companies will just pay you that one time, so make sure, right? But then remember I was talking, you got your high ticket stuff, your monthly reoccurring, you got your apparel, you got your supplements, like you got all these things, right? You could just find other things. Maybe you got like a fitness calculator, a fitness app, right? These are all things that are gonna help them get from, not confident to confident six-pack ads, right? And this works in any niche. This is like, if you understand the A to B map, once you have these products, you just insert in the emails, okay? Yeah, so to answer your question, Jared, on finding these affiliate programs, use Google. You can find like these private Facebook groups that have all these affiliate programs. Now, with Funnel Freedom and what we offer, we actually give you all those things. We give you hundreds of emails that are already pre-done. We give you 15, 20 different affiliate products, and then you can have it set up within 5 to 10 minutes. Now, the cool thing is, if you wanna learn how to get this set up, we're gonna handpick all the products for you that have monthly recurring revenue, high ticket, all the things I mentioned earlier. We have the Leave Your 9 to 5 Freedom Hackers Challenge, where we focus on building the system, helping you leave your 9 to 5 job. Click the link down below and you'll get access to that. All right, going back to this, okay? You can use this model for any business, any niche, fitness, cryptocurrency, make money online, like whatever it is. The main thing that you gotta start with is this though, like this little thing that I drew here is what's someone's big pain point and where do we wanna get them? What's the dream outcome? Once we can figure out that A to B map, we can fit the products in between, okay? So, this is the affiliate business here. Now, why didn't I just jump into this? Because I wanted you to understand the affiliate offer, the main thing that you're promoting, this should be a challenge or a webinar. Because as an affiliate, you don't have to worry about selling. You don't have to worry about doing any of those things I mentioned earlier because the challenge or the webinar does it for you. This could also be a sales team, could also be a VSL, but the one I would recommend is a challenge and a webinar. Yeah, question.
Can you define VSL for us?
Yeah, great question. So a VSL is a video sales letter, essentially a 5 to 10 minute video that sells the thing you're selling. Now, typically a VSL is not good if you're selling a $1,000 product. You need a challenge or a webinar. That's why I always say these two. Now, a VSL works with like $100 product, $50 product. But again, I'm not here to make nickels and dimes. I wanna make high ticket commissions, right? So that's why I like challenge and webinars, because typically with the challenge and a webinar, you're gonna get a high ticket commission. That's what you should focus on, I believe. Yeah, you could go do Amazon affiliate marketing and make a couple dollars here and there, but I'm gonna teach you how to quit your jobs. I'm gonna teach you how to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. And everyone that's teaching Amazon affiliate marketing, they don't make any money. That's why I teach this way. It's a little bit more in depth, but if you do this, you're gonna make way more money. Now, let me back up a little bit. Everyone always says, I know Jared, you were talking to me about this the other day, I gotta go sell your product. Not really. You can actually just give out a free thing. The affiliate product that you're promoting, they're doing the selling and telling for you. All you have to do is give away the free thing. Now, again, what we give our students, we've helped over 60,000 people do this, is we give them a free course to give out as their own, okay? This is the free thing. You can use my stuff or you can go create your own. When I was building my affiliate business, I created ebooks, I created guides, I created like just little simple things that are gonna help people. And then I would just follow this method every single time.
All right, so I hope you enjoyed that in-depth training on how you can dominate 99% of other affiliates. Let me know what was your biggest takeaway from this training that I gave to my inner circle students. And if you want to get started with this exact same system that I mentioned, where we give you the funnels, we give you all the affiliate links, all the things that I mentioned, there's a link down below to get access to my brand new Leave Your 9 to 5 Freedom Hackers Challenge. Now make sure to stick to part number 3, where I go into how you can start to drive traffic to your affiliate marketing business. If you're ready for part 3 and you want access before I release it to the public, just say I want part 3 down below and I'll send it over to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.